Okay, hello people, and welcome back to another video. As you can see, the strip down is commencing along quite well. Nothing sketchy about this. It's all sitting there quite nicely. Front wheels out. I'll get these forks out next. There's a wee bit of pitting and rust there, but I don't think there's that much travel in these things. We'll soon find out though. Done a wee bit of homework on this rear suspension. Apparently this in here is a bushing. Don't know if it's just going to knock out or not, but apparently that is replaceable and I can buy one of those. Not cheap, like about 80 New Zealand dollars, but if I've got to have one, I've got to have one, so that's kind of good news. Yeah, and I'm just making a list of stuff I need, and then I'm going to get the wire wheel to this and yeah, tidy it all up. Let's carry on. Did I mention a can of worms? This, oh, it's just awful. It's so notchy. Big notch in the middle there. Oh, that's just horrid. You're going to have to sort that too, I'm afraid. Well, that wasn't too bad. Okay, so now I've got to get this part out, which a lot of the weight is the engine's sitting on. So I've got to get lifted up, get this block of wood here out. I've got the motor tied up here, so it's not going to go anywhere. So I'll do that next. Okay, so we have this lower part of the frame, and here's the bearing and that bushing for the swing arm, and it does feel a wee bit crunchy. I'm just going to see if I can knock this this bushing out. Oh yeah, she's going. You can see the roller bearings. Oh, she's out. That was easy. She's nicely greased up. Let me grab a rag. So we've got a fair bit of corrosion where these bearings have been sitting. Obviously water's gotten into there. You've got to realise this thing's 42 years old. So I think I'll order one of these. You can actually see out here now, it's quite bad. I don't know how well you guys can see that. Okay, so I'm going to attempt to knock these bearings out. Am I doing this the right way, Wilbur? You watching? Feel it moving. Okay. Didn't take a huge amount of force. Here they are. Okay, I'll get the other one out. Okay, so this is the second bearing and it's not looking so good in there. It's quite rusty. And when you turn it, it feels awful. And now, well, you guys can see in there, but I think we've made the right decision. Just thought I'd show you these brake pads. The angle of wear on them is crazy. I guess we'll be getting new brake pads too. I've just been attacking this bracket here with the wire wheel. This was the original colour of the bike. It was a red. So yeah. Okay, so this is the fork with the leaky seal. You can see she's been leaking a while, I'd say. Now what I have done is I've found this is for a set of clip-on bars. The bar part I was actually using as a drift to knock out those bearings, but this here, I'll put this in the vise and this will be a good little holder for this thing while I'm working on it. So always good to hang on to this sort of stuff. Cool. Okay, we have the main frame on the bench here. This is all going to be loose ball bearings. Oh, you can't even see what I'm looking at. Grab a rag. Yeah, see the individual ball bearings in the top. Try and pick those out. This magnet's strong. Okay, 19 ball bearings in the top race. It'll be interesting to see what's in the bottom. Amazingly, there's 19 in the top race as well, the bottom race as well. So I guess 19 is what's supposed to be there. Cool. I'm just going to give all this a clean out, so I'm not getting grease everywhere. Okay, I'm going to attempt to knock the racers out with my bit of aluminium handlebar. Now we'll give it a go, see what happens. Here she is. Be replacing these, I think. Well, flip it upside down and get the other one. Well, I'll be ordering a set of headstock bearings, but I won't be throwing these away. Not until the new ones are in and we know everything's good. But put everything in this bag, put it in a safe spot. Anyway, I'm going to leave this video here. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Going to try getting this old paint off of here in the next few days. Everything's closed at the moment. I've been thinking about taking it to a sandblaster's, but yeah, everything's closed for another, or at least a week, because it's the Christmas New Year break. So anyway, thanks again, and we shall see you guys in the next one. Okay, out of here.